Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Hey, got a great used pontoon to show you today. We have a 2016 South Bay. This is the 700 series. I believe it's a 725 arch. So it does have the nice arch up on top. This is a 25-foot pontoon, tri-toon I should say. It does come with the trailer, so the trailer is included. The pontoon has 165 hours, so very little hours on it as well. You can kind of see it's got some different colors here. We got the white with the blue accent in there. Again, 25 feet, so plenty of room for everybody. This was paired with the Evinrude E-Tech. This is a 250 horsepower engine, so it's going to give you plenty of power to do all the sort of water sports that you need. You can see up here too, it does have the ski tow bar, so you can do tubing, skiing, wakeboarding, whatever you want to do. So let's go on the interior and take a look at the layout. All right, welcome to the interior of this pontoon. We've got some nice seating that wraps around here. This is a center walk-through with dual helm seats, so side by side. You've got storage underneath all these seats here. As you can see, we turn the lights on, so you've got these LED blue lighting throughout the interior, in the speakers, and then also up on the arch as well. Like I said, we got two captain's chairs side by side. Both of these will spin. They have recliners on them, armrests. We've got the nice helm seat here. There's a nice digital touch screen. Like I said, 165 hours. We've got storage in the floor, storage in the helm area. We got a removable seat, so this seat can be moved around to different parts of the pontoon. You got a nice durable floor. Can really take a beating. A lot of these pontoons, you're moving things around. It's not going to be scratching on you. And then also nice seating around here as well. Plenty of space for everybody, 25 feet in length. It is here at our Rogers location, and we would love to have you come down, take a look at this. It's not going to last long, so give us a call if you want to set up an appointment or talk around other features of the boat. As always, click the like button and click to subscribe.